Ito talaga po. Ito talaga po.
Letrang G. Kumbal. Takbuhan. Sa letrang O. Ritmo sa mat.
Okay guys, now that they're away, it's just you and me. And maybe some other people around here, but they can't hear us. Because they're busy. So, this is what I gotta tell you. I have something you will never have.